She's not here. Means she's not coming.
Seen the swarms Henson has at hunting? Might have nabbed her.
Possibility. One that concerns me the most. I need to find her. You don't leave your people behind enemy lines.
Cadet still buy that fairy tale bullshit?
Whatever happened, we have to help her.
Listen, know we had a calm night, but you gotta leave Dogtown.
How, in a car trunk? Fingers crossed? Henson's waiting for that sort of desperate attempt.
Okay? I've gotta be away. Let me think. Know my share of fixers, bet we could get one
Out of the question. They'll hand me over to the highest bidder.
Gotta find them myself, sounds like. On my own.
Not entirely. I have just the person to help. Solomon Reed's the name. 7 years ago, he headed up our intelligence efforts in Night City. He and Somi were a team. With conflict over, he went into hibernation. So he's out there somewhere. Reed's a man of principle. He can't be swayed, can't be bribed. If there's anyone we can trust now, it's him.
A sleeper agent? No shit. Tell me more. Unless that's like a state secret or whatever.
It is. Of the false bottom drawer variety. Let's say you want to secure your interests on another country's soil. If diplomacy fails, you resort to other means.
Like a military coup.
That's one option. Solomon Reed is another sure one.
Reed guy sounds like an ace up your sleeve. Could have played him already.
Activating a sleeper agent is no simple matter. You'll need a dog whistle.
What now?
Don't tell him I called it that. It's a signal only Reed will hear. It'll be tricky.
Huh.
There was a secret comms channel accessed only from a Capitan Caliente nearby. The FIA used it before the war. The access code was 0931.
Got a bad feeling, V.
Meaning an analog landline. That crash tear opened a hole in space-time?
When sending sensitive information, you use the technology least vulnerable to interception, old or not. That Caliente should still be wired for it.
Owner have a thing for antiques?
He had a thing for federal money. And he might still be alive. Remember, 0931.
Sounds way overcomplicated. Gotta be an easier way.
We'll call the FIA secret agent hotline and dial his extension. No, this is the only way.
Uh-huh. So what'll happen next?
Reed will need to screen you. You'll show him this. It means you work for us.
What the?
File will be created for you in the FIA database.
Wait, back up. Tell me I'm a special agent now.
That's right. But taking the oath make it feel more real.
Yeah, nah. Let's skip the formal thing.
Is there a problem?
It's just a big commitment, you know? Can't swear to something I don't believe in.
It's your choice. I understand this was sudden. Good luck out there, V. And don't let the bastards nab you.
Noah.
Good luck out there, V. And don't let the bastards nab you.
Hey, made the right call not taking that fascist-ass oath.
Oh, yeah?
Some causes are worth pledging your life to, V. This ain't one of them.
Yeah, fuck the system, fuck Arasaka, fuck the NUSA.
Jesus Christ, V, this ain't some teenage anarchist boot camp. No, I was once a corpo jarhead, right? Practically dove into uniform head first. They had a real hard-on for the oath. Repeat after me, bloody fucking blah. But can't remember what I solemnly pledged to do.
Sure you want to talk about this?
Gotta hand it to you, V. Wiser than I was back in the day.
Well, look who's awake. See that crazy color smoke? Yep, wham bam. One of Hanson's cargo drops, no doubt. She all yours. I sure as shit ain't making that climb.
Don't want to climb, or you're not told me something?
You think I'm finna parkour up on one leg?
Thanks for the heads up. Maybe I'll take a look.
Sure thing.
V, in Dogtown, are you? Well, I've but one word of advice. Caution.
Hands? Sheesh. What's your link to this area?
This is Pacifica's bumping, thumping business hard, where the real deals are done.
So, we finally get to meet in person?
I can say neither yes nor no. In lieu of an answer, I've new work for you. I hope you'll accept. One last thing. How you breached Dogtown's border, I'm not certain, though I suspect not via the main gate. Irrelevant in any case. I've secured clearance for your future convenience. Your name and likeness now registered in the system, granting unfettered passage over the district threshold. Talk again soon.
Best prices in Dogtown. Certified resale.
Attention all residents.
Get your fresh clep shards here. What do you need, boss?
Let's see what you got.
Premium shit you ever seen.
How's biz? Eddie's flowing?
Nah, Chum. Delta Crash got everyone skissing. Half of Dogtown's chasing Rosalind Myers like bitches in heat. Shit's fake news. But tomorrow's another day. Peeps know Ronald's shop always got what they need.
Look like a chum has been around D-Town.
Around? Shit, player. This is my home turf. Who'd you think I am? You talking to the Pacifica Typhoon, Chum, AKA the DT Prodigy. Yeah, okay, that one ain't my favorite. When they was pumping me with boosters, could blast 100 meters in 6.0. Yeah, you heard right. Now I ain't do hardly 100 a day, no more. But what I'm saying is, hell yeah, I've been around.
Got some pretty unique places around here.
This hood just exuding clever now, ain't it?
Been to the stadium. Quite a sight.
Uh-huh. They had big plans to set up shop there, you know? But woo! The competition whooped my Typhoon ass. You know, Nighthawks was roosting there while Hanson was still shitting his diapers. How's it go? Good times make bad chums, then bad chums fuck shit up? Bottom line is all about the Eddies. Who got the most scratch? Hanson. Stadium ain't his main biz, oh no, but I ain't gonna say no more on that, huh?
Came to this kind of expo hall. Some curious mock-ups of all kinds of buildings here.
Oh, you got guts, man. Like what you saw? Them suits must have been tripping balls coming up with them district plans. And then wham! Reality kicked in. Gongs probably woke up face down in the streets thinking, where'd it all go wrong? Expo ain't no place for civvies. You got pre-war goods and shit there. Best stay clear, especially since Pete's been hearing blasts and explosions. No thank you.
Even got a pyramid. Hard to miss that one.
Pretty preem, Fixers think so for sure. Beers talks get drowned out by wild party hubbub and tracks to the fire. Privacy guaranteed, Bottoms open to all the riffraff. Upper levels, though? Shit's for VIPs, big players, big biz, feel me? Maybe go and visit myself. Banging tunes, dance slides of Snow White, and the biz is in tune. That's how you get in the major leagues.
Big skyscraper. Know anything about it?
Suits called it the Black Sapphire way back when. Folks call it the Hotel or Tower these days. Place is gilded, I hear. Pretty much out of reach for us mortals. Apple of Hans's eye, his golden egg. He wanna make tunes with you. He gonna invite you there. Get a view from the top's motherfucking Nova. Might be a little crazy, but I ain't cray-cray enough to find out for myself.
Since we're already talking.
Yeah, what you think?
D-Town's districts. What do you know?
Huh, which ones, my man? Golden Pacific be in the north of D-Town. I got this hill there, Luxor Heights. Name makes a promise and delivers. Preem views, 10 out of 10. Longshore Stacks is the west side. Place got history, feel me? South is Terra Cognita. You best stay the fuck clear of there.
Okay, Longshore Stacks. What do you know?
Everything there's pre-Unity War shit, get me? Start seeing containers, means you found the place. Them containers? It used to hold bricks and beams for building the hood. Shit got clapped, Avi. But them big-ass boxes ain't going nowhere. Now, we D-Towners, we resourceful. Some clever chooms grabbed them, and behold, preem living space. In high-rises, no less. Ain't no shit go to waste here, you know?
Since we're already talking,
Yeah, what you thinking?
Typhoon Ronnie, huh? You serious?
Scan the old screamers if you a doubter. Old Ronnie was a legend in the making.
How'd your rising star suddenly flop?
Well, there's this chick, Fiona. Had this, Center for Gifted Youth and shit. Future sports stars. All good, right? We talking roof overhead, real food, training, boosters and chrome, heaps of chrome, Choom. Shit was all rainbows and roses till you stumbled. And Choom, I fucking wiped out. Landed in the D-Town street with mean-ass migraines and insomnia. And I was lucky, too. Hit me, Choom.
Hey, Capitan Caliente. Closed?
Shut and boarded. Owner talk shit about Kurt. Mad disrespect. Had no choice. Hanged himself out back. Hey, you a fresh face, so listen up. Here in D-Town, you watch what you say. Talk shit to the wrong tune, blam, you're dead.
Man of biz you are, so let's cut a deal. I slip you a few heads, you tell me how to slip inside.
You paying for trouble. But okay. Don't ever bail on Eddies, huh? The new owners are draining power from down the road. Check the cables on the wall. Sure to connect somewhere. Tinker around, reset the power. Bet your security trinkets just might go dark.
Sounds promising.
Hello, Darktown. This is Kurt Hansen. The cyber psycho barged into Darktown without registering. His bounty is now done.
That's... Good lies. Being up. this!
Look, I'm waiting for a friend.
Capitan Caliente. Guy clearly went down with this place. Stash house by the looks of it.
Right. Let's see what's here. Damn. Antique. Junky variety. Wonder if it even works. Handler. Oh, come on. Answer.
I'll have a double cheeseburger while you're at it.
Reed? Listen. Got no time to play games. Hello? Foss is probably busted.
Or you flubbed the number.
What the fuck do we do now?
Who is this?
Call me V.
Andrew Jackson, basketball court. Daytime. Noted.
Not exactly loquacious, our man of mystery.
Could just prefer text. Damn sure I do.
Best prices in Dogtown. Certified resale. Get your fresh clip shards here.
Vance's elbow has a hitch. Dude needs an upgrade.
Thinking lunch today?
Oh, not a doubt in my mind it'll hitch.
With the right cams installed, man, a 3-point dunk ain't even hard. Game needs some damn rule changes.
Where were you when it crashed?
On the net. Traffic blew up like crazy. Almost made my asphalt boil.
What's the word? Was it really the MUSA?
I don't know. It was
Best seats in the house.
As crazy as it is out here.
Gonna be a game to remember.
Johnny Silverhand. Basketball fan? That's you.
You know what I mean.
Everybody okay?
Another game starting. One where your head's the fucking ball.
He always said we could use another window.
Felt the same thing. Something nasty's brewing.
Fucking storm's what's brewing. Don't let the sunshine fool you. You're up against seasoned players, whereas you just stumbled onto the court. These are trained sociopaths. Pretend to be your friends while they fucking ain't. So go out and play. Just don't get played.
Sure you're not overreacting?
Whatever. Ain't me going off to war.
War? Come on. That's a stretch.
Maybe not the kind of war you're imagining. But it's war, all right. FIA, NUSA, Arasaka. Same shit, different packaging. Hope you're hungry, soldier. 'Cause you're about to chow down. Take it from a deserter.
No offense, but could we just chill a sec? Watch the game some. Enjoy just that.
Why not? How about a hot dog and a cold beer while we're at it? Pretend we don't got a worry in the world.
That would be so nice.
Well, when you put it like that, fine. Savor it while it lasts.
Don't turn around. Eyes on the court. Hands. What you holding? Nope, nuh-uh. Don't do that. Just don't. So then. I see you holding something. Show
Johnny,
me.
who the hell's breathing down my neck?
How the fuck should I know? Only see what you see.
I see you holding something. Show me.
Like to know who I'm talking
Old
to.
line there, Chu. You know who I am. Now hands, show me.
Got this token. Mean anything to you?
Does. But I need to make sure.
Keeps his cards close, this one.
Who sent you?
Don't know you. Don't work for you. So you can fuck off with the interrogation bullshit.
Interrogation? We're just talking.
Keep it cool, V.
Let me ask you again. Who sent you?
Mutual friend.
We don't have mutual friends.
Friend survived an accident. You might have heard.
I might have.
Zone defense, that. Keep pushing.
Is she safe?
Hard to say. The longer we sit here.
That's it. Dribble around him.
Were you followed? Did you even bother to check?
Dunno. Wasn't looking for a tail.
Well, you get 1 point for being candid. Attaboy. Black Thornton Merrimack, on the street. 3 minutes. Front seat.
That it? Interrogation over?
Already? We're starting to have fun.
Reed?
Slippery motherfucker.
What a fucking wacko.
Like him already. Let's scoot.
Hey, you see the guy I was talking to a millisecond ago?
Big guy? Coat looking like he's planning on flashing some kids, huh?
Hey, shut it or get lost.